What's up, guys? It's Zygarde, and today we're going to be doing a Nerf. It's not Nerf, but it's a knockoff of Nerf. It is I forgot what it's called. Air Warriors Ultra Tech Predator, and this is probably my favorite Nerf gun that I have. And we are going to be doing a review and a target practice. So let's go. So this is how you load it. It's pretty cool. And I got this idea from my neighbor / best friend, Metal Mouth Gaming. Go check him out. So you load the Nerf bullet into here, and then you put it up and then down, and it's like that. You can take off the scope, and yeah, we're going to be shooting this robot right here. He's been messing with me for the past 2 weeks, and I'm ready to kill him now. So let's go. So I'm on my bed right now, and we are about to see if we can kill that robot. Let's do it. One shot, one kill. That's a reference from Overwatch if you didn't know. Yes, I got him. All right. It's actually kind of hard to do it on camera. All right, so yeah, I got him straight on the eye too. All right, so now I'm going to do a trick shot. See if I can do it. I promise, no editing. I'm going to try to do it first try. Let's do it. So I'm going to try to do a 360 no scope off of my bed, and I'm going to try to hit that. So, yeah. Oh, no, you can't see me, though. About right there is good. Let's do it. Dang it! Aww. And now, how come it still didn't fall? You can't see this, but it's like right on the edge. So now I'm going to test out and see how powerful it is. Let me go get it. It's right over here. It's called the Rough Cut. It shoots 2 at a time. And yeah, I'm gonna see if this can take him down. Oh yeah, and this is how you load it. It's pretty easy. You just stick the bullets in like that, then go like that. Let's see if we can knock it down. Oh, that was right above it. My aim is horrible right now. Alright, so one more. How did that not knock it down? So, You're getting in my video. So, if you didn't know, my sister does that all the time, out of nowhere, as you can see. So, yeah, that's going to be the end of this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.